Yes, the Exporter Association has asked the Commerce Secretary to issue an official communication on the matter of Chinese goods being subjected to 100% physical examination at Indian ports, and they have also asked the Commerce Secretary to take up this issue with CBIC as to what the official course of action is, and if something like that is not being done, then the government should issue a clarification, is what the exporters have said. They have given a logic that the Chinese customs officials, in fact the customs officials at Hong Kong have also now started holding back Indian consignments, delaying Indian consignments as a retaliation. So they have asked the officials to clear the air. In fact, the FIO, the Federation of Indian Exporter Organization, is of the view that a blanket ban on Chinese products is not the solution to the clash, to the problem between India and China, as the blanket ban can backfire and hurt Indian economy as well. They said that although India is a major export market to China, China is also a big destination for exporters, and in this clash, if a situation like trade war arises, then Indian exporters will also suffer losses. The export organization has also said that India should look at long-term measures, and it should be left to customers whether they want to go for Chinese products or not. The customers should support locally manufactured products, but the government should tread cautiously on this issue, and we should not think of it sentimentally, but we should think on this matter wisely and judiciously.